Okay, so winters are here. Hi everyone, hope you all are doing well. Welcome to Femica. Chapped lips, dry skin, these are all the words that we get to hear every year around during the winters. Another thing that we like to do during winters is watch those amazing K-dramas and get warm and fuzzy inside our blankets. So I guess you guys are getting the vibe. So you guys, today Femica brings you up a beautiful winter DIY lip scrub, which will be followed by a Korean puff lip. So Korean puff lip is basically a very beautiful gradient lip, and I'm going to teach you how to do that, and also I'm going to teach you how I make my favorite lip scrub. And I know we all have been obsessed with Korean drama, Korean makeup and skincare. I don't even want to get there. Hence, here we go. Let's do the viral Korean puff lip hack. And not only that, we'll do a plumping DIY lip scrub too. But wait, before we can get started, I would suggest that you guys go and subscribe and comment down below. And by doing so, you can stand a chance to win a gift hamper, which is absolutely free, and of course, it's going to be by Femica. So now let's get started. So as you can see, I have already applied a lip balm. You can apply anything like a Vaseline or something. That is to get your lips softened. So anything that is going to be dry is going to get softened, and it will be really easy to then go ahead and scrub it. So this is my little homemade concoction. It smells like a cinnamon bun, I won't lie to you. So let me just tell you how to make it. So these are the 4 ingredients that you would need. First is sugar. I use brown sugar in my house. I have brown sugar. You can use regular sugar too, but here I have used brown sugar. Then as a liquid, I put in some drops of lemon. That is because lemon is of course vitamin C. It helps in lightening the spots. Then I have put in some cinnamon powder, just a pinch of it. Now this is what is going to make your lips go plump, and cinnamon powder is great. And cinnamon powder is a natural source for getting that plump, juicy lip. And of course at the end, for some moisturization, honey. So now let's get started. So what I'm going to do first, I'm going to take the lip balm off. I'm going to pick up some of the scrub with my finger. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to apply the lip scrub really nicely. I am going to be gentle, yet I'm going to make it really effective. So the corners of the mouth are the areas where it gets more pigmentation, also the line of it. So I'll focus more in there, and then I will keep it for 2 minutes and let it rest, and then I will wipe it off. So I have wiped it off. Actually, I had to go to the basin and wash it. So you can see, I'll just shut my mouth, then you will see how plump it looks. And mind you, there is no lip balm, there is no lip product on my lip right now. Can you see? This is an instant hack. So if you want a plump look, so what you can do is you can just very quickly, 2 seconds, make this scrub, apply it, get your lips going plump, and then you can just apply a lip gloss or line exactly how plump your lips are, and then you can get ready and get out of your house. That's a great hack. Now so guys, that was the video. I think this was a really quick and fun video which I loved filming for you guys. So hope you guys liked the video. For clean, safe, organic products, you can always shop at Femica. Do check out all the products that are linked and mentioned in the description box below. Join the community and welcome yourself to the world of clean, safe, organic beauty and wellness. And you can do so by joining us on our social media platforms, the links to which are either on your screen or in the description box below. Signing off with lots of love until we meet next time, and I really love you guys so much.